Good morning everyone. Today I will go to start the new third unit, reduction. What is reduction? Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen is known as reduction. And what is reducing agent? The reagent which can use it to reduce the organic compound and it can self-oxidize is known as reducing agent. So, reduction of organic compound can be done by the following four process. First process is by hydrogenation. So, reduction of organic compound. Organic compound can be reduced by the four ways, four following process. By the hydrogenation is the first process, and by hydrate transfer reagent, reduction by addition of electrons, and by hydrogenolysis. These four processes can be used to reduce the organic compound. In that, first process is by hydrogenation. What is hydrogenation or reduction? So, in that, addition of hydrogen to pi bond containing compound. Pi bond containing compound, addition of hydrogen is known as hydrogenation. For suppose we have to take a pi bond containing compound, alkene, alkyne, anyone we have to take that. In that alkene we have to take, then hydrogen can be added to the pi bond containing compound. This is pi bond containing compound, hydrogen can be added. We will get the alkane. This is known as hydrogenation. If this hydrogenation process can be takes place in the presence of catalyst. Catalyst presence, this hydrogenation process may be takes place. This is known as catalytic hydrogenation. We will get the alkane. Same. But catalyst presence, this hydrogenation process may be done. This is known as catalyst hydrogenation, catalytic hydrogenation or reduction. The catalyst which does not, already we have to know about that catalyst does not involved in the reaction, but it will enhance the rate of reaction. Reaction may be increased. In that, catalyst may be used transition metals like palladium, platinum, nickel, and another catalyst, this is Wilkinson's catalyst, also may be used. Okay, hydrogenation process may be so hydrogenation process may be two types. Homogeneous catalytic hydrogenation and the second one is heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation. So, what is hydrogenation? Addition of hydrogen to a pi bond containing compound is known as hydrogenation. If this hydrogenation process takes place in the presence of catalyst, we will get the alkane. So, by hydrogenation process may be two types, homogeneous catalytic hydrogenation and the second one is heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation. In homogeneous catalytic hydrogenation, the catalyst which may be dissolved in the organic solvent. ఈ catalyst అనేదమ్మా organic solvent లో dissolve అవుతుంది. This is known as homogeneous catalytic hydrogenation. And the second one is heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation. In heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation, the catalyst which does not dissolve in the organic solvent is known as Heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation. In heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation, we have to use the catalyst like palladium, platinum and nickel. These transition metals may be used. These transition metals does not dissolve in the organic solvent. Organic solvent lo dissolve avu. Okay. Then heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation example we have to use reduction of alkenes. Reduction of alkenes can be done by the heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation. We have to see in that. In heterogeneous catalytic hydrogenation, we have to see a alkene. This alkene we have to take. Platinum we have to use that. So, alkane. In this process, first of all, hydrogen is a gas. The gas, it may be absorbed on the catalyst. Catalyst may contains porous holes. The hydrogen gas may be absorbed on the catalyst. Then the hydrogen will be transferred to the alkene. So, resultant alkane will be formed. This is the mechanism of this reaction. Hydrogen is a gas, it can be absorbed on the catalyst and then this will be transferred. Hydrogen will be transferred to the alkene. We will get the alkane. Listen. Next, we have to see that so this is alkene, cis alkene. H2 palladium catalyst we have to use. Then we will give the cis alkane. Meso compound may be formed. So in here we have to take the cis alkene. So it can be reduced by using catalyst palladium. Hydrogenation maybe takes place. We will get the meso compound. So manaki entante stereochemistry of the product may be always may be cis. Cis product may be formed. But in sometimes trans product is also formed. So for suppose we have to take cyclopentene. Cyclopentene. We have to take that. It can be reduced in presence of nickel catalyst. We will get the cis. So cis product may be formed. So here this is hydrogen. Cis cyclopentane may be formed. Cyclopentane can be reduced in presence of catalyst nickel. We will get the cis compound. Cis cyclopentane may be formed. So addition of hydrogen always takes place in the same phase of the pi bond and it will give the cis product. But sometimes trans product